Hey guys, I just got my brand new Chalk Couture box and I thought I'd open it with you so you can see everything that comes in the starter kit. So let's get busy. All right, so when you open up the box, right here on the inside of the lid it says, if you can dream it, you can do it. So that's pretty exciting to know. All right, top layer, it's all wrapped in plastic. Let's see what we have in here. We'll start here on the left-hand side. Looks like a full size of the paste. This is the Chalk Couture paste. This color is a beautiful red color. It's called Candy Apple. All right, so we have the Candy Apple red. Obviously, the beautiful white paste, chalk paste. Green. Ooh, pretty pink color. And, oh, I'm loving this. Kind of aqua color. Very nice. My first little blue squeegee. Yay! Oh. Ooh, folder. Folder full of fun. That's what I'd like to call it. Full of, look, there's some, these are small, I think A-size transfers. I'll get to try out. Brand new catalog. Can't wait to sit and read it. And then over here it looks like some other transfers. So there's these. There's this one. And there's this one. So these all came in it. Oh, and then this one. Fun stuff. All right. So we'll set that aside. What else do we have in here? Looks like we have, this is a chalkable surface. So it is probably about a 5x7 size, and then it has a little board here that you can actually set it in. Okay. It has some thank you cards. Those are always important. Always say thank you. A beautiful Chalk Couture apron. You will see me wearing this a lot. These are chalkable discs. So if you guys would like to try out Chalk Couture, I can send you a try it kit. Just let me know and I will get one to you. All right, and this is another chalkable surface. So it's a round size, okay? So that was in layer 1. Every month you can get chalk goodies in the mail. So this is the October Club Couture. So every month they mail you, this is the one for October, a new transfer. And the cool thing about this, and this is the one thing I really love about Chalk Couture, is you can chalk on your surface. And I always hated things where like, well then you had to put it up and store it for the rest of the year because Christmas only comes around, you know, once a year. And so the other 11 months out of the year, you have to put it away. Well, the great thing with Chalk Couture is you chalk on your surface. After the holiday, you wash it off and you put something else for the new holiday on it. Perfect. And then here's the new frame. This one is the Aidan white frame, and it is a 9x12, and these come in all different kinds of sizes. So that was my new Chalk Couture box. I can't wait to share more with you. Have a great day.